Hi, everyone. This is Sarah Wyden with the Stressless Student, and I wanted to share this very cool priority chart with you all. And the reason I'm sharing it with you on a video is I want to show you how to create it. I tried to share this online, and it did not give me the full extent to what I wanted you to see. And also, if you just want me to send you a copy, you can always just email me for it. Okay, so the way this chart works is we have priority, assignment, status, and due date. And what's cool is that this, as you can see, is a drop down menu. So you can decide where you are in the status. So I wanted to show you how to do that. It's fairly simple, but it did take me some practice to figure it out. So I'm going to go to insert, and then I'm going to go to drop down. And I'm going to go to new drop down. And the way I'm going to label these is very high, because these are priorities, right? Very high, high, medium, low. And I'm going to call this priority chart. And then here I can assign colors. So do red. And again, of course, you can choose whatever colors you want. Here, and there we go. And then I'm going to hit save. And when I come over here, all of these will drop down. I showed this to, as I said, a student of mine created this. And when I showed it to another student who gets pretty overwhelmed by calendaring, he was really excited about this. So I highly suggest it. If calendars turn you off, try it. Let me know what you think. And also, if you want me to send you a copy of this, I'm more than happy to do so. All right, take care and Happy New Year. Bye.